kitty. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, honey. Oh, the crickets are out today. All right, y'all. Good morning. It is day 3 on the farm, and today we are actually going to start things a little backwards today. We have to move quick because I have to go to work. So we are actually going to start with the goats today and work backwards to the chickens and see if that helps us move a little faster. We'll see. We'll time it.
Walking shy. The gate is open. Come on.
I really want to touch the baby.
Okay. No, don't touch her babies.
I don't want to.
The cow.
She looks fat and slow, but she's actually pretty quick.
Come on.
And she's really strong.
Stop running, Shy. Stop
Shy,
running.
stop. Okay, Samaya. Okay, so Sean, here, I'm going to show you how to turn the water on.
You're going to leave Sean out here?
It's not a farm, it's an animal.
No, don't walk through the poops.
It's okay. They're piglets. They're okay with walking through the poop.
We assume that they're the predator, and then they'll start chasing. Okay, so you see this switch right here?
He's hot. He's so hot. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Are they
She's so
going down the
hot.
bathtub with her?
Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous, but I think she's just hot. Oh. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous about that pig. I'm like, oh. I'm like, don't freak out. Don't run. Don't freak out.
I would be really scared.
You don't like surprises?
Should I put some more?
Yes, baby.
My
Good job, bub. I got this. If you hear screaming, come back. Okay. I'm getting better at this. I could do this while baby wearing, right? Not bad, not bad, not bad. Right, honey? Yeah. Yeah, honey. Yeah. Shane, hi, baby. So definitely don't count your eggs, your hens, before they hatch, or your eggs before they hatch. One or the other, but don't count them before they hatch, because I was just sitting here talking about how easy it was for me, how much of a professional I am now, and I had to call my husband to milk the other one because I couldn't get one udder to empty. So don't count them before they hatch. Let me know the saying in the comments. See,
Yeah,
look,
pull
you
back.
move away from it so that you don't accidentally touch it.
Is it open? Then fine.
Alright.
Good job, Mommy, you did it! Woo! Yeah! Mommy did it!
Alright, so while I was doing the goats, they went and took out the eggs and fed the chickens and the cat and checked all the water levels and stuff. So we are just feeding the pig. And yeah, we're done. So it's so I think we're done, and it took us 30 minutes. So I feel like we're official farm people now. And look at the cows. Hold on.
1, 2, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. There's 2 black ones. There's a brown one that makes 3. The one with the horns right here makes 4. The one with the horns right there makes 5. The one laying down makes 6. The baby brown one is 7. That one right there is 8. There's a brown one laying right there is 9. There's a brown one that gets a fence that makes.
So pretty soon we're gonna have to open up that gate for the cows to let them out where they're at. And not gonna lie, I'm a little worried about that. Not gonna lie. All right, we did the thing.